Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are safe at home. Yes. Today, did you all practice the flat shapes? Drawing flat shapes like rectangle, square, oval, circle, triangle? Yes? Okay, today we'll see more about it, okay? Now, we'll see a short recap of the flat shapes, solid shapes, rolling and sliding shapes. Okay, now flat shapes again, which you all practiced at home. This is rectangle with these two sides longer than these two sides, which is shorter. Then square, all the four sides should be equal, should be of same size. Then oval like this, just like an egg, and triangle with three sides more or less equal. Then circle, a round. Okay, next is solid shapes. This we are going to see more about drawing the solid shapes. Okay, so this is cube. It's like square, all the sides should be equal. Okay, then sphere, it's a round shape. Then cone, which will be like a triangle with this curved surface. Okay, then cylinder also, just like with these two flat surface with curved surface here. Then cuboid will be just like cube only, but it is like rectangle. Two sides should be same and these two sides should be same. These two sides should be longer than these two sides. Okay, these are all the 5 solid shapes: cube, sphere, cone, cylinder and cuboid. Okay, the spelling of cube is C-U-B-E, cube. Say along with me, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Cone, C-O-N-E, cone. Cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Okay, now next is rolling shape. We are going to see the rolling shape. Which is the rolling shape? Yes, it is sphere. Sphere is a rolling shape because this is the only shape which will be rolling. See, sphere is rolling like, example for sphere is a ball. See, the ball is rolling. It can't slide, it will be rolling because it's along the surface, it is curved. Here also it is curved. Okay, next is sliding shape. Cube and cuboid are sliding, only sliding. So shall we see? Yes, see this ice cube. We say ice cube, no? It is the shape of cube. So see, it is sliding. It cannot roll because all the sides are flat surface. Okay, so it will only be sliding. So how it is sliding? See, cube and cuboid is sliding. Okay, now next is rolling as well as sliding, both. Which shape? Now cone. See, this cone is sliding. Another surface, along this surface it is rolling just like a top at home. It is rolling and this is sliding. This surface it is sliding. See, sliding. And this at the back here down the sharp surface it is rolling, or else here also it will be rolling. But when it comes for this flat surface that is on top here, it will be sliding. Okay. Now next is rolling and sliding shapes. We have one more shape, that is cylinder. Yes. See this cylinder, it is rolling. It is a box which is in the form of cylinder, which is in cylindrical shape. It is rolling. It is rolling along its sides. But it will be sliding over this side. Here it is rolling. See, it is keeping on rolling. But when you just take it and keep it, it will be sliding. Just like your tumbler where you drink your milk or whatever. You can slide the tumblers. Okay, you do it at home and check. You can slide the tumbler, and also rolling could be done. Okay. Don't roll your tumbler with the milk. Beware. Be careful, okay? Yes. Now, today's concept we are going into is lines. We have two type of lines we are going to study today is straight line and curved line. So, straight line. Shall we say the spelling of straight line? Say along with me. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight line. L-I-N-E line. Curved line. C-U-R-V-E-D. Curved. C-U-R-V-E-D. Curved. Line. L-I-N-E line. Yes, so straight line and curved line. The first thing we are going to see is curved lines. So curved line will be like this. Yes, when you draw in your free hand, it is curved line. So whatever you just scribble, it is a curved line. When you draw it in the piece of paper or on the slate or on the board or in your notebook, it is a curved line. Whatever you just scribble, it is a curved line. Okay. So, using these curved lines, we can make, what are all the solid shapes you can make? Can you guess? Can you guess? Using this scribbling, this curved lines, like this arc, like this. Using this, you can make the solid figures, solid shapes. What are they? Yes, we'll check. Flat faces also we can make. Oh yeah, that is circle and oval. Curve, because the surface are all curved. Here also the surface is curved. So the curved shapes, or these are the curved shapes. Okay, it is not straight, it is curved. So these are all the curved shapes. Okay, these two flat surfaces or shapes we can make using curved lines. We use curved lines to draw this oval and circle. Okay. Now, these are the lines, straight lines, which we are going to see. What are all the straight lines? First, we'll read the spelling of the straight line. What is the spelling of straight line, which you already read? S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight. Say along with me. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight line. L-I-N-E. Line. Okay. Now this you already know. Sleeping line, standing line and slanting line. So these three lines today we are going to draw and check. Okay. So first is sleeping line. Spelling of sleeping line. You know the spelling of sleep? Yes, we'll read the spelling. Read along with me. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep, I-N-G, ing, sleeping. L-I-N-E, line. S-L-E-E-P, I-N-G, sleeping, L-I-N-E, line, sleeping line. Then standing line. Line will be standing, just like how we stand. Okay, so that is called a standing line. So we read the spelling now. Read along with me. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing line. L-I-N-E, line, standing line. Then the last one is slanting line. It is slanting. So it is slanting line. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G, slanting. L-I-N-E, slanting line. Okay, now we'll see how we will draw the sleeping line with the ruler. Okay, you have ruler, no? See, this is the ruler I am drawing. Now check. So this is the sleeping line. Once again. Yes. This is the sleeping line. Now next is slanting line. So use the ruler. I am drawing with the pencil. Yes, this is slanting line. Drawing with the pencil. So this is slanting line. Okay. Now next is standing line. So yes, we'll keep the ruler and draw along this ruler. So it is standing line. Keep the ruler, draw here. This is standing line. Okay. Now we are going to see what are all the shapes we will draw using this slanting, standing and sleeping line. Okay. Now I am going to draw a cuboid. Just try cuboid. So one standing line, next sleeping line, again one standing line, then sleeping line. Again in between here I am going to draw one more standing line, sleeping line, then again standing, closing it. Now we are going to draw four slanting lines, sorry. Here one, here, and here, and that will become a cuboid. See, one, here two, here three, and here four. So what is this? This is cuboid. Okay. Now next is cube. Shall we draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Again in between here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here, this and this. Practice at home many times, you will get used to it and you will be able to draw very easily. Now it is cone. Very easy. Here one, and next is this curve. It is cone. Yes, next is cylinder. One line, another standing line, then on top one curved round oval and bottom one curve. This is cylinder. Okay. Now next is sphere. Sphere is nothing but a round and just an arc. That's all. Now we are going to check the curved lines. This one, we put a tick for curved line. Now this one, put a circle for not straight. They are asking it is not straight. Now again curved. So this one. Then they are asking for straight lines. So this one is straight and this one is straight and this one is straight. So I am putting tick for the straight lines. Okay. So that's all for today, children. This is curved line. I am putting here tick, curved, this is count, but this is straight and this is straight. So I didn't put tick for this. Next is curved circle. So this is circle. Next one for straight line, this one. That's all for today, children. Have a nice day. Do your worksheet. Okay.